Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you are all about gardening and using your waste to the max, definitely check this out.
This is by Nagual, and this is a fantastic way to keep your kitchen waste useful. These are old breads, fruits, vegetables, shells, coffee grinds, paper. You can add meats as well. And with one push of the button, it actually turns it into compost. And it has an intelligent operating system, so it'll turn off automatically when it's done. I love that there's an 85% volume reduction, 95% weight reduction, and this was filled to the max at 2.5 liters. And now look at this gorgeous compost. There's 4 cushy foot pegs, and you can access your activated carbon filters below, which keeps it smelling fresh. I really enjoyed the pleasantness of the odor from this. It was really not offensive. It was really nice. It was like something was roasting. And it's really nice. It cooks it up to 260 degrees Fahrenheit. This bucket is gorgeous. It has a ceramic nano coating. It's thick. And this blue light indicates that it's running. Once that turns off, I know that it's done. It runs very quietly, so I enjoyed that as well. I love how easy it was to use. I love how it makes me feel like I'm really utilizing everything in my kitchen. And I love how easy it is to clean. It is scratch resistant. The bucket is also wear resistant, and all I have to do is rinse it out. I can see a little condensation. It allows it to come out the back. The whole design of this was incredibly thought out. It's brilliant, it's practical, and I just love having it in my kitchen.
We love it, and it has been so cool to have. But that's just my point of view.